In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and let's get right into it. So let's open the box. First, we need to remove those covers over here. There we go. There's the one and the second at the bottom. There we go. Let's put this to the side, and here, as you can see, immediately we have this paper box with the phone behind it, and it looks like this. It is pretty slim. We have the SIM eject tool over here. We can open the paper box to see what we can find inside. Let's move the phone to the side for now. All right, do we have anything else? No, it seems to be it. So this is everything that we get inside the box. A bunch of papers, of course, and the USB-C cable. It is USB-C on both ends, I believe. Yeah. And that's about it in terms of accessories, so nothing much else. And of course, the star of the show. Oh, there's another quick start guide, of course. But the phone itself looks like this. There we go. And let's just check it out from the front. There we go. So the phone, of course, has no buttons on the left side. We have 3 buttons on the right side, 2 volume buttons and the power button. At the top we have 2 dots, and the bottom with the USB-C port, the speaker and the SIM tray, and the microphone over here, I believe. And that is essentially it. We have 3 cameras at the back with the flashlight as well, and of course the front camera too. So that is all. The frame seems to be aluminum from what I can tell. Yeah, so I just double checked. We have the aluminum frame. We have a glass front, of course, and glass back. So the back is, of course, made out of glass. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.